Hey, what's up, guys? Hopefully y'all can help me real quick. So I picked up a new wire harness for the 2002 Polaris Sportsman 500 HO because the one that was on it was trash. Whoever owned it prior spliced all the wires and I just didn't like it. I put everything together and now it doesn't start. So this is what it does. This actually lights up now. Turn the key and all it does is click at the solenoid. So you can see it got power at the solenoid, and then when I turn the key, this will light up. And it lights up at the starter. So what could be wrong? What's going on?